Hi, Michelle Terpstra here, sales coach and sales expert, and today we are going to talk about mindset. Mindset is super important when it comes to being a confident, abundant, graceful, fantastic salesperson inside your business. And I'm going to teach you one of my favorite hacks that I use with all of my clients. So even on those bad days, you have a way to reset and jump back into what? Loving your business, serving your clients, and finding opportunities to make sales. So if you haven't been around here before, I'm Michelle Terpstra, and as I said, I'm a sales expert and sales coach. I help entrepreneurs build aligned, authentic sales systems by mastering sales conversations and, of course, learning to love selling. I am on a mission to level the playing field so that those that don't like sales right now will like sales and master it, so that you have access to the same level of success that people that already master sales have in their business. So let's go ahead and jump in and talk about the importance of mindset. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I'm a visual learner, love writing on my whiteboard. All right, so there's two really important pieces to sales, right? So we have mindset and strategy. Now, you may have heard people say, oh, everything is just mindset, or everything is just strategy. And I just kind of disagree. I really do think that we've got a 50-50 split here. And I also think that there is a season for each, okay? And let me explain that, because it's really important to know like what you need support with right now. Now, strategy is literally like that sales funnel. I don't know about you, but I love mapping out sales funnels. And sales funnels are just ways that people come to you and the actions that you take to then get a sale, okay? Everyone's funnel looks a little bit different. This is a strategy. You feed the funnel, you get the sales, all right? Now, I will tell you, strategies do not work if you have a messed up mindset, okay? And what does a messed up mindset really look like? It means that you don't feel worthy. It means that you have doubt, fear, worry, etc., etc., etc. Now, what does a positive mindset look like, and how can that impact your strategy? So what we want is what? Worth. We want to feel worthy, right? We want to be confident, fearless, okay? And we want to be trusting in ourselves. When all of these things are aligned, your strategy is going to soar. Now, if somebody gives you a bad strategy, all the mindset in the world's not going to matter because you've got a messed up strategy now, okay? So you can see how they are 50% load. All right, so if you are feeling worthy, confident, fearless, and trusty, you are ready to double down on that strategy, okay? If you are not feeling all of these things in alignment, we gotta work on that first so you can activate the most amazing strategy in your business so you can hit your financial and your lifestyle goals, which is why you started your business, okay? Now, first of all, I believe that mindset solidifies and literally reprograms our brains through repetition and daily action, okay? So how I coach my clients to feel worthy, confident, fearless, and trusting is to take action in their business and literally prove their mind wrong. Now, that takes motivation, it takes support, it takes community, and that is why I love the Sales Success Lab. So if you haven't learned about the Sales Success Lab yet, please go ahead and check it out in the comment section below, because it is the #1 place where you get to tackle mindset and strategy to reach those amazing goals inside my group coaching program, the Sales Success Lab. All right, so let's talk about what that hack looks like to get this worthy, confident, fearless, and trusting mindset. But before we jump into that, I would love to know in the comment section below, like, when was the last time you didn't feel worthy, or you doubt, or fear, or worry? I would love to know what those circumstances look like, because if I know exactly what those circumstances look like, I can provide more content, if you like this, around those specific areas, okay? Now, like I said, I believe you have to literally reprogram the mind. And how do I reprogram the mind? And it is literally by proving it wrong through daily action. So one of my favorite things to do is this really cool jar that I have my clients create. Okay, so you can use any clear jar. I like a clear jar because I want you to see how many pieces of paper are in there. But you might be saying, Michelle, what's in here? And what's in here are all the amazing ways that you are changing the world and changing the lives and the businesses of your clients. This is your power jar, my friends. Okay, so what do we put on these little pieces of paper? And when do we use it? This is really important. Every single time a client says something to you that makes you just feel like, wow, I had the honor of doing that. You write it down on a piece of paper, okay? Maybe a biz bestie says, hey, Michelle, you're changing lives. Do you know that? And you write that down on that piece of paper, okay? Perhaps you chose to help out a friend for free even, and they've got results from what you taught them. You write that down. You want to know. When someone tags you in a post and says, hey, you know what? This person can help you. I want you to write down that people trust you so much they're referring you. There are endless things that can go in there. It can even be what you appreciate about yourself, that you're resilient, you're full of grit, you're dedicated, you are energetic and passionate. All of those things can go in there. And when you're having a moment of doubt and you're starting to enter this negative mindset, I want you to reach your hand into that jar and read a few. It will instantly transform your mind and reprogram your mind to feel confident, worthy, fearless, and trusting. It is a simple exercise that anyone can do right now. Now, if you're excited about creating this power jar, I would love to know. Put it in the comments below. And I actually would love to know what you put in it. So if you want to share what you're putting in your jar, put it in the comment section right now, because this is an amazing thing that you can do for yourself. Now, I have several other mindset hacks that you can implement into your business beyond the power jar. And if you would like it, it's my free gift to you. The link to mindset hacks for confidently selling is in the comment section below, in the notes. And I would love for you to jump in, learn from that, and start to lock in worthy, confident, fearless, and trusting, so that you can activate the most amazing sales strategy in your business and hit all of your goals. Now, if you like my content and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of it, be sure to subscribe and also share this with your friends so that you can help them achieve their goals too. Biz besties aligned, right? It's all about community. And listen, I will see you next time, and I can't wait to share more valuable information on how you can master sales conversations and sales systems in your business. See you next time. Happy selling.